Kickoff day, guys. Welcome to day number 1 of Garden Revival. I'm so glad that you are here. I hope that you have printed off your calendar, your tab divider sheet, you got your binder ready with that cool cover on there. I love making graphics, I don't know why, but it's so fun. So I'm really excited that you're here. I'm really excited to kick this day off. We're gonna learn how to grow big, grow in whatever space that you have. We're gonna talk about maximizing space. We're gonna be talking about soil. We're gonna be talking about what do we do with the food that we grew. We're going to talk about preserving long-term food storage. We're going to talk about my favorite. I'm going to be talking about things that like you buy it once and then you're done because you're going to learn how to save from it and you're going to grow. And the best part of it is that this is all contributing to creating that health and food legacy, right? I'm huge into creating this legacy that we can turn these tables around. We can show our kids, think about that, it's getting really powerful. We need to show our kids, we need to show the younger generation, we need to show people, we need to show the companies that we can do this. We don't need a bunch of crap. We need real food on our plates, in our kitchens. That's what's important. We need to make that a priority. We're going to make our kitchens a priority. We're going to make good food a priority. Enough with this nonsense out there, right? So let's get going with the Garden Revival. I'm so excited for this month. I cannot wait to hear from you guys what you're learning, what you can share to the group, your contributions, and just like those aha moments. And I just love this community. I'm so excited for Garden Revival. So let's get this going.